we go there and then we have 100 women, and then we have breast and cervix cancer screening. The 100 women, most of them will go for breast. Yung magpapa-cervix about 30 plus. So why? We ask them. And that's true. One is talagang mababa ang literacy, mababa ang knowledge about cervical, much more cancer and cervical cancer. Pangalawa ay meron tama po yun, stigma Kasi nga, imagine, before we do this, we talk to them and then, ito pala ay nakukuha sa pakikipagtalik and then, hindi na agad sila magpapano kasi pag nalamang positive ka or something, oh, there's something wrong with me, no? Baka may ginawa ako, yung kapitbahay, etc. Kaya, the other is, of course, yung fear. A lot of people have fears on cancer. Much more cervical cancer, diba? So, nalaman din namin doon na women are scared of this. And then, if you scare them more, the more they will have them. Kasi takot na sila, and then pinento pa. Kaya sa lectures namin, we try not to be really scary. Talaga mas scary ang cervical cancer, half lang cancer. And then late detection. Pero we just, parang you need your 45 or you need to have tested, etc. Kasi pag tinakot mo, ay napansin namin na mas lalong mababa yung nagpapa-examine. So these are all the barriers. And so we try to really be really frank lang na if you're a woman, and then you need to be tested. If you're negative, if you're 5 years na, if you're positive, we're going to treat you. It's going to prevent development of cancer because we have prior therapy. So those are some balakid. And then the other is kapag may symptoms na, like yung na, at may ibang pagtingin, no? At it will take them a while bago magpa-check up ulit. There's another, of course, the biggest balakid there is financial barrier. Kasi maraming test, mahal, and then of course, they're afraid of cancer again. Some of them are fatalist. So, mahala na yung nangyari sa akin. So, sa amin naman, when we screen women, we found out something. Even though namin yung si program is called patient navigation program, where we navigate the patients to the doctors, to the hospitals. Actually, kung tutukusin, marami namang mga programa Kaya napansin nyo kanina yung patient na isa 100,000 lang, isa 400,000. But there are many programs. Pero ang problema, hindi alam. Hindi alam ng mga tao, hindi alam ng mga leaders. In fact, sa program namin, siyempre pag positive test, then they need to be monitored several months later. We found out, wala yung trained, skilled worker doon to do VIA, to do and then may na-train sa isa sa Batangas down, nandun na sa hospitals. So walang walang systematic program. So we're not ready yet. Kaya ang babang coverage, walang regular po na Kaya really need, kami sa private, we're helping the government, policy. Pero kailangan makita yun. Of course, government po na. Makita yan na may mga gaps. May gaps yung ibang primary, LGUs. Kaya ka mga private Rotary and all, we work together para makita yung gaps. So makita yun para maging ready yung pangarap yun 90-70 yan. Hindi mangyayari yun kung walang maayos sa sistema from the ground.
Miss Cara, there are